Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I woke up to some very brown bananas and I thought what better way to use those up than to make banana bread. Let's get started. So first things first, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we can get working on our dry ingredients. Okay, so for our dry ingredients, what we would need is 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of allspice, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalaya pink salt, but normal salt will do fine. Alright, now that we've got our dry ingredients mixed, the next step is to mash our bananas. So these are the bananas that I'm using. They look a little bit on the ripe side, but that's a good thing. This is actually the secret to really good banana bread. Let's go ahead and mix the wet ingredients. So what you'll need is 1 stick of butter at room temperature, 1 cup of castor white sugar, 2 eggs, also room temp, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and our mashed bananas. Let's get started. Traditionally, one would use walnuts while making a banana bread. However, I like using roasted pecans because it brings out a nuttier flavor in the bread. Now that we've got our wet and dry ingredients all mixed, as well as our pecans nice and toasty, we're just going to add the wet to the dry ingredients and then add the pecans at the end. Make sure to prepare your loaf pan ahead of time by buttering and flouring it. I hope you enjoyed my version of banana bread. If you like this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button below or leave a comment. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe. Thank you, bye-bye. Our wet ingredients mixed. Stop! Are you laughing?